If you want to earn up to 130,000 Hilton Honors bonus points and pay no annual fee, then this is the card for you. Hi, my name is Alex and I'm here to tell you about the Hilton Honors American Express credit card. If you are new to this channel, a warm welcome, and hopefully you'll find answers about credit cards, saving money, growing your income, investing and saving for retirement. So without further ado, let's get started. If you want Hilton benefits but don't want to pay an annual fee, this card is a perfect fit. The perks are modest compared with what you'd get on another Hilton cards with an annual fee though. Fast forward, we'll be discussing why do you need a Hilton Honors American Express credit card, how do you get it, what value will bring to you, and the fine print covering fees and other hidden disclosures. Let's start it with why do you need a Hilton Honors American Express credit card? Well, this card is one of the best cards to have as a hotel enthusiast. Unlike many other cards that just offer a night stay or two, this card offers first access to deals and discounts on hotel stays at any participating Hilton brand hotels worldwide. You get high point earning rates, automatic silver status includes complimentary late checkout, no foreign transaction fees, and no blackout dates. With the current offer as June 2021, you could earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend $1,000 in purchases on the Hilton Honors American Express card in the first 3 months of card membership. Plus, you can earn an additional 50,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend a total of $5,000 in purchases on the card in the first 6 months. At the same time, you could earn 7 times Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases charged directly with the hotel or resort within the Hilton portfolio. With this card, you will earn 5 times bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases at US restaurants, US supermarkets, and US gas stations. Additionally, you will earn 3 Hilton Honors bonus points for all other eligible purchases on your card. So why do you need to get this card and how do you apply for it? If you are still on the fence about signing up for this card, let me help you make your decision by breaking down what you need to get and how to apply. The Hilton Honors American Express card is designed for users with good to excellent credit, so you will want to ensure you meet those qualifications before you apply. While American Express doesn't have a hard and fast rule about how many cards you can actually have open with the issuer, it is also a good idea to stay under 5 open cards at a time. An excellent credit score will also ensure you'll have a good chance of being accepted for this card and of receiving the lowest APR possible, so make sure you check your latest credit report before applying. To apply, you can fill out the application on the American Express website. Once your application is received and approved, your new card will be sent to you in the mail. When it arrives, simply activate it to begin using it. If you are not eligible for this specific card, well, don't worry. Make sure you check my best cashback cards or our ultimate travel rewards guide. Assuming you actually make up your mind with this card, the question is, what value do you get from this American Express Hilton Honors credit card? Well, if you are a Hilton Honors member, you can enroll in the Hilton Honors American Express credit card, which offers membership rewards. This means you'll earn points for every dollar you spend at Hilton properties and on everyday purchases, and enjoy enhanced benefits like access to exclusive insider events. The Hilton Honors credit card comes with Hilton Honors Silver status, but if you spend $20,000 on the card in a calendar year, you receive an upgrade to Hilton Honors Gold status, which is good through the end of the next calendar year. Well guys, normally you'd have to earn Silver status by racking up multiple stays at Hilton properties. This status gets you a bundle of perks, including a 20% bonus on all Hilton Honors base points earned, complimentary internet access to select locations, late checkout, and 2 complimentary bottles of water per stay at select locations, plus a 5th night free when you book a stay of 5 or more nights using only points. Although Hilton Honors points don't carry as much value as other hotel points, the welcome bonus will still cover a night or 2 at many Hilton hotels. The Hilton Honors Gold comes with a better chance of upgrades, higher points earnings on stays, and that all-important complimentary breakfast benefit. If you earn Gold status and get upgraded to an executive floor room on a stay, you'll even get access to the executive lounge. In addition to its 5,700 properties, Hilton offers award redemption without blackout dates. Rates, however, can vary quite a bit. When looking for the lowest rates, it is best to search for standard rooms. The cost of preferred rooms is usually twice as high as Hilton Honors points. If you want to redeem your Hilton Honors points, shop around since there are so many options. There are likely to be multiple options in big cities, so finding one that meets your needs is key. Two unique benefits come with paying with Hilton Honors points. To begin with, no resort fee will be required if you pay entirely with points. Cash and points are generally only useful in the most specific or circumstances, so you will have to pay for the resort fee if you choose this method. Furthermore, when you stay at the hotel for 5 consecutive nights as a silver member, the 5th night is complimentary, which is an advantage of having the card. Longer stays let you expand your Hilton Honors points 20% further. Hilton Honors also offer points pooling, enabling family members and friends to share points. The Hilton credit card is a great option for families to earn the welcome bonus for that perfect vacation or for a group of friends to go on a trip. Additionally, there is no limit on how many points you can earn, so your rewards can quickly add up. The fact that this card doesn't have a spending cap is great for those who spend a lot at grocery stores, gas stations and restaurants. Because the card does not charge foreign transaction fees, it's even more attractive to those who travel abroad. Even with Hilton Honors Dynamic Awards chart, you will still be able to earn the most value for your points when they are applied to hotel and resort stays. At the same time, Hilton Honors offers some great deals on its website. The Points Explorer tool is really helpful with finding awards, but you'll have to search a bit to find them. In contrast to other Hilton credit cards, this one does not come with a free weekend night. You can redeem your Hilton Honors Amex points for airfare, rail travel, car rentals, unique experiences, all-inclusive resorts, vacation packages, golf, shopping, dining, and also donating for charity. Hilton Honors points can also be transferred to 40 global airline loyalty programs and to Amtrak. Depending on your needs, using Honors points for this purpose may not always be a smart move, since the transfer ratio tends to be bad. Besides, having to transfer points in increments of 10,000, you also only get between 1,000 and 1,500 air miles for them, depending on the airline. So if you want to maximize the value of your points, redeem them for hotel rooms. If you are new to Hilton Honors, you'll benefit from this card if you do not have enough hotel stays to qualify for elite status. The Hilton credit card offers perks and benefits but doesn't charge an annual fee. So if you are not quite ready to take on a card with an annual fee, consider this credit card from Hilton. Okay, so moving on, let's see the fine print of Hilton Honors American Express credit card. Well, this card as a general rule does not have any fees you cannot avoid. When using your card to get cash from an ATM, you will be charged a 5% cash advance fee with a minimum of $10, late payment fees which are $40 and a return payment fee which is also $40. If you end up needing to carry a balance, however, you will face a 15.74% to 24.75% variable APR, which is just slightly below the current average interest rate if you qualify for the best terms. In addition to all the perks that come with being a Hilton Honors Silver Elite status member, the Honors Amex comes with additional perks that can save you money while you shop and travel. Free Shop Runner subscription with your Hilton Amex card, which offers free 2-day shipping from dozens of online retailers, although enrollment is required. No foreign transaction fee, so when you travel to another country, you won't have to pay a surcharge on your transactions in another currency. Car rental insurance, if you use your Hilton Honors Amex to book and pay for a car rental, so you can receive a secondary coverage in the case of damage or theft. Travel accident insurance in the case of accidental death or dismemberment while traveling on a common carrier, so you can be covered for the fare charged to your card. Extending warranty adds up to 2 years to the original manufacturer's warranty on eligible warranties of 5 years or less. Keep in mind that while the card doesn't charge a foreign transaction fee, American Express cards are not accepted as widely abroad as they are in the US. Well, if you have good to excellent credit, you have strong odds to get approved for this card. However, the card's annual percentage APR is comparatively high even at the low end of that range. A higher APR might be more apparent if you have no other credit card and you don't pay off your balance in full each month. However, if you are a good credit risk with a solid credit score, you can be approved for this card and benefit from the best Hilton Honors Amex benefits. For that and for a few other reasons, this card may be best used as a supplemental rather than primary credit card. Well guys, as a final word, this card is the only Hilton branded credit card with an annual fee of $0. Of all the cards in the Hilton family, its benefits are most basic. The Hilton Honors American Express Surpass card, which has an annual fee of $95, comes with Gold status and Priority Pass Select Visit passes, and the premium Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card, which carries an annual fee of $450, comes with travel credits, lounge access, and several other goodies. There are few hotel cards that offer some of these benefits, but this card actually does a pretty good job. As a frequent Hilton guest, this is a great way to rack up a few extra points on the spending you already do and earn your next Reward 9 faster. In addition, you'll receive some elite status benefits during your next stay. Moreover, the card offers its highest welcome bonus yet. It's definitely worth looking into Hilton Amex if you intend to travel for rewards in 2021. If you are a frequent traveler who is willing to pay an annual fee for additional benefits, check out the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass or even the American Express Aspire card. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to let me know in the comments if you got any value from this video. It's 2021, please subscribe, hit the notification bell if you aren't already, and I will see you soon.